So, Bausch & Ströbel is a pharmaceutical machine constructor specializing in filling liquid and solid drugs. When you fill medicine, you have certain batches, and each unplanned stop can potentially risk the loss of the entire production batch. Most of the pharmaceutical filling lines on the market today are not being monitored for VIBE data. Thereby, our customers are missing out on important vibration data that could help them improve their condition monitoring. The Aviva Pi Data Historian is the standard data historian in the pharmaceutical industry. So by developing a solution based on the Aviva Pi system, we're creating a solution that can be easily integrated into the existing infrastructure in our customers' systems. So with the Pi system being the standard data historian in the pharmaceutical industry, that's also where all the production data streams eventually end up. So it's the ideal place to combine our machine knowledge and process data with the vibration data and expertise from Rühl and Kia Vibro to develop a joint solution.
Our vision of a condition monitoring as a service offering is to make it really simple for our customer, affordable and non-intrusive. Connect empowers us to make that vision become reality.
So by using Aviva Connect as a natural extension of the Pi system, we enable our customers to share maintenance data with us and then use Aviva Advanced Analytics to give them actionable insights for condition monitoring.
By bringing all the data together, we enable our customers to make informed decisions about that. And that turns into real, tangible value.
By offering digital service, we are enhancing the collaboration with our customers because certain challenges can only be solved together.